In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Airtable. So you've got your base set up, and now you want to make sure all your data looks neat and organized, right? Let's dive into how we can adjust our view to make sure everything's easy on the eyes. First things first, let's talk about adjusting the width of your fields. This is a simple yet powerful way to ensure that your data is displayed clearly. Glide your cursor over to the boundary of the field you want to modify. You should notice that it's pretty easy to drag the border either to the left or to the right. This action adjusts the field's length to your liking. Take a moment to tailor the width of each field according to the content it holds. Maybe some fields need a bit more space to breathe, while others can afford to be more compact. You can apply this adjustment to all the fields in your base, ensuring a consistent and visually appealing layout across the board. Once you're satisfied with the field widths, it's time to look at the height of your rows. This is where the magic of truly seeing all your data happens, especially if you have cells containing multiple lines of text. Head over to the row height option, which you'll find conveniently located on the right side of your screen. This is where you can really customize how your information is displayed. Depending on your personal preference or the complexity of your data, you can choose to set the row height to medium, tall, or even extra tall. Maybe you're working with a lot of detailed descriptions and need plenty of space to view everything at once. Opting for a taller row height could be the way to go. The beauty of Airtable is that it's flexible to match your needs, letting you view data in a manner that speaks to you. As you adjust the row height, you'll observe that the taller you go, the more content you're able to see within your columns. This can be especially helpful if you're trying to review large chunks of text without having to click into each individual cell. It's a small adjustment that can make a big difference in managing and interpreting your data efficiently. And there you have it, folks. By tweaking field lengths and adjusting row heights, you now know how to wrap text effectively in Airtable, making your database both functional and aesthetically pleasing. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If it did make your Airtable experience just a bit better, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.